Yeah, hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Richard Rodriguez. I go to Eastwood Academy, I'm a 12th grader, and right here is just my starter project. It's a simple voice changer, that's all. I got it out of a kit, and it uses a 9-volt battery as a power supply, and a few diodes and buttons to change the pitch and everything, but in order to demonstrate, just flip the switch on, make sure the battery is running, turn the volume just ever so slightly because it will be very loud. Like that. But yeah, it kind of talks like this. It's it's very neat, I think. And I guess my basic struggles with this one, being that it's my starter project, it was my first time soldering. I guess I did burn myself a little bit, but for little tips and tricks, make sure you have enough solder wire to extend it as you're soldering, so you won't burn your knuckles off, or almost like I did. Other than that, this is a fun project, and I really learned a lot, and I hope you guys can do it too. So I'm out. Thanks.